Let me first open my Power BI, and from there I'm going to go to web, get data from web. I'm going to put some link in my description box of my YouTube where you can download the data from the web. So today we are going to load data. Here I'm going to get data from the web. And before it opens, let me copy the web address. Copy. And where is my Power BI? Okay, here. I'm going to paste the link here. And from there, as soon as the data loads in my Power BI desktop, I will click Table 2 and load the data. So my Power BI is loading the data. And go to Power Query Editor, and from there I'm going to start working with my data like data cleaning, data massaging and other stuff. So let me wait for the data to load. So table 2 has been loaded. Now I'm going to go to transform data, and when the Power Query Editor loads, I'm going to delete this and I'm going to rename this table. Click here. Rename it to Top 200 Sales. Top 200 Sales. So now you see in queries Top 200 Sales. Here also you see Top 200 Sales in properties. Now again I'm going to load some data. I'm going to copy this and go to Power BI. I will put this link in my description. I'm going to go to web and paste the link here and click OK. So I'm going to rename this as Top 400 Sales. So now I'm going to click on Top 200 Sales and click Reference. And this I'm going to rename as Top Sales. So now I have Top Sales here. I have in properties also Top Sales. Now I see this data here, and the data type has been wrong. Here the rank is numerical, but the data type is text. So let me change this from text to whole number. So now I change the data type to whole number. Now I'm going to go to domestic live gross. Here I have an empty field. Here this is empty. There is no value here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and I'm going to where is replace value. I'm going to click replace value here. I'm going to put dash and here I'm going to put $0 and click OK. Again I have the same in domestic percentage column. In domestic percentage column, I have a blank. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click replace value and for here I'm going to type dash and here I'm going to put $0 and click OK. Here I see that foreign is percentage, but here it shows text. So I am going to change this to data type to percentage. Now I am going to click close and apply. So now I have to use another link. Okay, let me control. So this is the website from where I am going to bring data. So what I am going to do is I am going to go to that website. And from here, I'm going to, okay, it has not loaded. So as soon as it loaded, I'm going to copy the website address. This is the website which the link to this website I'm going to put in my description box. I'm going to go to my Power BI. It is still loading. So there, as soon as this thing gets loaded, I'm going to go to get data and from there I'm going to go to web where I am going to paste the address that which I copied just now and then click OK. From there I'm going to click transform data. So this is the steps which I'm going to do next. So after clicking transform, I'm going to go to remove column because the next data which I am loading that has many empty columns. Because that data set has many empty columns, I will be deleting unwanted empty columns going to my remove column icon. So here, so now I'm going to get data, web, and just now what I copied, that address I'm going to paste. If you remember, this was the website for which I copied address, and here I'm going to paste it and let the Power BI load that data. So as soon as it loads the data, I'm going to click table 1 and then load the data. So it is loading the data. This is taking too long. So as soon as, let's see what I'm going to do next. And I'm going to transfer this new data and delete some unwanted columns. So this is the column. I'm going to click. I can go remove column here, or I can go and click here remove. And I'm going to click here and click remove. So now I have I'm going to remove this column also. I don't know what it is. It is not important. So now this column looks awkward. So what I'm going to do is click this and then click split column. Split column by delimiter. So I'm going to split column by delimiter, and here the custom is selected. I'm going to put a full stop and select leftmost delimiter. So I'm going to click OK. So since now this has got separated 1 point or something, now I have 2 columns. Now I'm going to select rank and title, and again going to click split column by number of character. Here I'm going to type 6 characters, and then I'm going to click once as far right as possible and then click OK. So now again I split columns in such a way that I get year in a separate column. Now I'm going to rename this as just rank because it's too long. I'm going to rename it as rank. And I'm going to name this as title. That is enough. Title. And I'm going to double click this and rename this as YEAR, year. So all now looks something better than what it was before. Now, when I see at the ear, I see that dash thing which is not looking. Okay, I have to change the thing to text. That's why. Now, I have to replace value. Here I'm going to put dash and here I'm going to put just a space. Then I'm going to click OK. So now that dash will disappear, which was not looking nice. So now it is looking nice, but I have to change the data type to whole number. So now I'm going to click here, title, and click go to where is transform. Okay, here I'm going to go to transform, and from transform I'm going to go to trim. So now they looks nice because I made it more look nice by trim. So now this table 1 name is not looking nice. So I'm going to rename this as IMDb rating. So now the name here also, property name also changed. So now I'm going to click on top sales and create a reference. And this I'm going to name as merge. I'm going to click merge queries as new. So now I have 2 tables to merge. I'm going to click ID MA rating. I'm going to click title and title. And now I'm going to click OK. Now I have to go here and click this double-sided thing, rank, and what is this? Rank and this. Then I will click OK. Now close and apply. So this is how you clean the data on the go. So I hope you understand how data cleaning is done and how the data is loaded from the web to the Power BI. If you liked my channel, subscribe to my channel.